our caravan. Alis na kami rito sa 1770. Punta na kami ngayon sa Bundaberg, sa Elliott Heads. Magstay kami roon ng 5 days, and then the grandkids will be visiting us on this coming Saturday. Yan. Busy si Haniko. Nagpapak siya. See you in Bundaberg. Welcome to my channel, Vianinsky. Don't forget to click and subscribe and the notification button. See you in Bandi. Si Haniko, wina-wind down niya yung paan ng aming caravan. Siya. Haniko is going to fold now our caravan. Yan.
That pattern too.
Hold the caravan. Morning. Alis na po kami sa Captain Cook Holiday Village Caravan Camping. We're on our way now in Bundaberg, and we will be staying there for about 5 nights. And then the son of Chris, my stepson, we're going to visit us from Gladstone, and the grandkids, we will be seeing them for the first time. The second baby, he's now around 3 years old. So how many hours from 1770 to Bundaberg, Haniko?
A little bit over an hour, hour and a half.
So 1 oras at kalahati po ang biyahe namin. So it's 7:30 now right now here. Hindi kami magra-rush kasi the check-in time is around 11 o'clock. We might go somewhere to stop. See you in Bandi. Malapit na kami sa Bundaberg, and that's the Macadamia Farm. We're in northern part of Bundaberg, and on our left side is the Macadamia Farm. Is a sugar cane, ka-harvest lang yata nila, so wala pa. That's the sugar cane there. We're nearly in Bundaberg right now. Nasa North Bundaberg na kami, so few more minutes to go. Malapit na kami sa Elliott Heads, kung saan doon kami magka-camping. I'll show you what's Elliott Heads. I love that place because para kang nasa paradise. white sand and the water and everything. Pakita po sa inyo pag nandoon na kami. We're now in Elliott Heads, and as you can see, that's the water there. That's the lovely water there. We'll show you that river on that side. Yeah. Papasok na po kami. These are the old houses here. Mostly a rent house. Pasok na po kami ng camping site of Elliott Heads. That's the we used to buy fish and chips there. It's a big changes now here. That's the Elliott Heads. Elliott Heads. And that's the water there. It's a white sign. At the moment, it's low tide. Low tide, and that's the water there. Yan, dun po, water. And that's the fish and chips na lagi na nakainan. We're now entering the camping site. Yeah, they changed. It's a big change. Lots of parking space now here. That's the camping site, caravan. That's the unpowered side there. And that's the powered side. Yeah, it's a big changes talaga dito ngayon kasi it's been almost 4 years, and this one is the surf club. Hindi po yan dating ganyan. That's the extension, and then this is the new office now. Before it's like a old timber house, something like that, but now it's really keep on changes. And then that's the new toilets there. It's beautiful. It's really different. And that's their cabin in there. Okay, we're now inside the Elliott Heads. Look at this caravan. It's a fifth wheeler. We're on our way now sa river. And this caravan camping, which is Elliott Heads, ang laki ng pagbabago. They really renovate everything. Ayan yung bago nilang toilet. And these are the caravans. Look at this one. Parang ang cute niya.
Off-road campers. Big GMC. Tow that bloody caravan with Black Betty.
Ayan. Hindi masyado siyang puno kasi hindi pa siyang school holiday.
Number 50. The very first site.
But we have a feeling by this coming weekends, busy na to sila. Or before this coming weekend. Kasi malapit, it's school holiday na.
Camp kitchen used to be there.
Ito dating camp kitchen nila, ngayon minove nila. We will show you yung bago nilang camp kitchen. Ang ganda.
2 more sites there.
Ayan po. On that side is unpowered. I think this is also unpowered.
Powered.
Sorry, that's powered, sabi ni
It's
Chris.
nearly all powered. There's some places no power.
Look at this caravan. Para na siyang bahay. Ito is unpowered side. Which means, dito walang kuryente sila. At may sarili silang
Coming.
sariling bathroom, toilet, or
They've only just arrived. These people.
eto kararating lang nila. Punta kami ng beach, I'll show you later.
This is unpowered here.
Eto mga unpowered. So, 3 years ago or 4 years ago, pakita ko po sa inyo, etong parking na to ay hindi siya concrete. Ngayon, napakalaki ng pagbabago. Papunta kami ni Chris ngayon sa beach. May walk path doon papunta sa beach. Ito talaga, ang laki-laki talaga ng pagbabago nito. Ang daming parking space ngayon. Then ito, may walkway path sila ngayong ginawa papuntang river at sa beach. Ayan siya.
Surf around.
At the moment, wala nagsisurf. Pero ang init na ngayon dito. Super. It's a blue water. Ang ganda.
No polyp. No coral polyp there.
Walang coral polyp na katulad sa 1770. Ayan.
They've done a bloody fantastic job.
That corner there is a big fish and chips kiosk. Dati maliit lang yan.
Which used to be sited right where we're standing, and they've shifted it from here to there.
Yeah, like what Chris was saying.
Right from here in this area is where that kiosk used to be, and then they shifted it across the road years ago.
Tapos, nag-build sila ngayon ng barbecue picnic dito. Wala yan dati dito. I'll show you what's on the other side. River siya, para kang nasa Boracay. It's a white sand. Low tide ngayon, so wala masyadong tubig. Pero you can go on the other side of the island. Ang ganda, it's blue. Pwede kang maglakad at maligo doon. Kaso nga lang malayo ang lakad because sapat sa low tide siya.
Ridiculous, this place.
He wants to feel the water kung malamig or mainit siya. Yan. Yan, papasok na kami uli sa camping ground ng Elliott Head. Si Chris, yung basang-basa. Nag-dive siya sa beach. And he's gonna do for washing the salt water. Ang laki ng pagbabago dito. Ayan po yung cabin nila. Yan po yung cabin. Tapos merong nagka-camping dito na camper trailer. Unpowered po to. Itong camper trailer na to. Ayan po. Ayan po. That's the cabin. Ayan. Ang lapit lang ng beach sa campsite namin. Ayan, ayan po yung mga cabin nila. May 4 silang cabin. Self-contained po yan. Parang bahay. And then, eto pa po yung ibang mga caravan. Ayan. Ayan po, mga cabins. Ito po yung cabins dito sa Elliott Heads. They have 4 cabins. Mga self-contained po yan. Parang bahay. Bahay. Now, ikot na kami uli. Ayan pa po yung ibang mga caravans. Ayan. Ito po yung mga klase ng caravans na parang bahay. Na kumpleto. Yung iba po dito ay kung tawagin ay gray nomads. Yung mga retiree na nag-around Australia. Pero at the moment dito lang sila sa Queensland because of the COVID. Ayan po, ang lalaki ng mga caravan. Parang mga bahay po yun na yan. Ito lalo na to. Ito, papakita ko po sa inyo kung tawagin is a fifth wheeler. Na actually, it's a truck na parang bahay. Eto, kita nyo po yan, no? Parang bahay na po ang loob niyan. Merong toilet, bathroom. Eto. Ito po yung sinasabi ko na ano, na bus. Actually, it's a truck. Tapos, meron silang kotse sa likod. Ayan po. Eto yung katulad sa amin na A-van. Yan, it's a cute A-van. Ito pa. Yan. Mainit na kasi. So, marami nang nagka-camping. Yeah. Lalo na tong mga grey nomads. Wala silang mapuntahan kundi Queensland lang. Gawa ng COVID. Ito po, mobile home. Parang bahay din po ito. Tignan nyo po, ang laki. Tapos, merong siyang kotseng maliit, yung Suzuki. Hila-hila nila yan. Yan. Punta na kami sa site namin. Eto, marami pang mga bakante. By Thursday or Friday, puno na to. Ayan, ito pa po yung isa pang mobile home. Avida, ang tatak. Parang bahay din po yan. Mostly are gray nomads. Yung katapit sa likod namin, mga gray nomads sila. Which means mga retired na po. Yan, ito, isa pa po to. Parang bahay. Pero yun nung isang yun, ang pinaka-cute sa lahat. Yan, yan. Yung may-ari nung caravan na yan, yun. Hindi po ba? Very cute. Yan.